Finding healthy snacks that are also delicious can transform your diet from mundane to exciting. The key to creating satisfying snacks lies in using fresh ingredients that pack a flavorful punch. One such option is a vibrant fruit salad. Combine a variety of colorful fruits like berries, mangoes, and kiwi for a refreshing treat. The sweetness from the fruits, combined with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of mint leaves, can awaken your taste buds while providing vitamins and antioxidants. Another fantastic snack idea is roasted chickpeas. These bite-sized delights are not only crunchy, but also rich in protein and fiber. Simply toss canned chickpeas with olive oil, paprika, and garlic powder, then roast them in the oven until golden brown. The seasoning adds a burst of flavor, making them an irresistible snack that satisfies cravings for chips or crackers without the guilt. If you're looking for something more substantial, try creating avocado toast topped with various toppings. Start with whole grain bread, slather it with ripe avocado, and layer on toppings like sliced tomatoes, radishes, or a sprinkle of feta cheese. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and will keep you feeling full longer. For an added kick, finish with a dash of red pepper flakes or a squeeze of lemon juice. Yogurt parfait offer a delicious way to incorporate probiotics into your diet. Layer low-fat yogurt with granola and your favorite fruits in a glass for a visually appealing and nourishing snack. The creamy yogurt combined with the crunch of granola and sweetness of fruit creates a harmonious blend of textures. Plus, it's easy to customize based on your personal preferences. For those who need something quick, nut butter with apple slices is a classic choice. The crispy, juicy apple paired with creamy almond or peanut butter is not only satisfying, but also rich in nutrients. This snack balances carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein, making it a perfect on-the-go option. Lastly, homemade energy balls made with oats, nut butter, and honey are a great way to stave off hunger between meals. Mix together these ingredients and add-ins like dark chocolate chips or dried fruits. Roll them into bite-sized balls and refrigerate. These nutrient-dense bites provide a quick energy boost while satisfying your sweet tooth. With these healthy and tasty snack recipes, you can indulge in food that nourishes your body without compromising on flavor. Embrace creativity in your snacking habits, and you'll feel satisfied and energized throughout the day.